dark out. Okay, everybody. So me and my wife, we're gonna take down this branch now. So, hey, Robert, this way. Robert, I know you're not gonna be able to see me, so come on, buddy. So the branch is above our head. Nadine's gonna be driving the Jeep. The branch is there. We already got it strapped down. This is what Jeeps do. So she's gonna get in there. She's gonna do the work. I'm just gonna make a cut. Say hi, Nadine. You go sit down for a second, honey. So she didn't want to be on video. So let me get this done. I'm just gonna have it going this way. That's as best I could because Robert's in the dark and he can't do it. So just keep on watching. Okay, so I always make sure my wife is good. She's like 40 feet away from this tree. It's just a little branch. So I gotta put a ladder up there, back cut it with a little chainsaw. I gotta get started, and we'll take this down in 2 minutes. Watch. finish the last cut, and I'm going to wave her, and she's going to pull it down. So, I'm going to make one more last cut. Actually, just tweak it a little bit. You're going to go through everything. I just said tweak it a little bit. Okay, a little more. A little more? That's good. Okay. You're pretty much not going to have to wait. I'm going to climb up there and I'll tell you, I'll probably start climbing up and going down here. The ladder is not something. You go this way. You go in this way. Okay. One more cut. Okay, tweak it a little more. Yeah, pull it down. Pull it down. This way, always this way. All the way. Just give it a little gap. A little more. Okay, nobody can see this right now, but me and my wife, we took the branch down. That's it. Leon, that's it. That should be enough branches and everything. Goodbye.